The importance of your daily routine. Stay tuned, traders, we're going to talk about that next. Good day, traders. Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Beautiful sunny day in Perth. Out just getting a bit of fresh air and getting energized. It's afternoon and the London markets are going to open up within the next couple hours. Today talking about the importance of your daily routine. So obviously we go over this in the 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. One of the things that I think is critical for people to understand is that it's imperative that you align your daily routine, your rituals, your habits with the goals that you want, not only in your trading but in every aspect of your life. But one of the things that I like to do when you've got a blueprint of how your day is and you can make that congruent with the goals that you're after in your trading, you can chip away at things on a daily basis, little bits by little bits. Progress and failure are both processes that happen slowly in one direction or the other. So if you're more focused on constant progress and you're chipping away at things, you're moving in a direction of success. Whereas if you're doing nothing and hoping for things to be different, you're probably moving in a direction of future failure or maintaining at least just the level that you're at. Now I know that most of you are interested in improving your trading and probably results in every area of your life, but you know, I talk about getting up early, reviewing my vision statement, focusing on keeping myself emotionally orientated on the big picture and what my goals are, and working on my mindset training daily. I think it's critical that you bulletproof your mindset for success, because you're bombarded on a daily basis by countless different things that are going to be self-sabotaging, defeating, cause you to be living in the past. You know, we're focused on the future and not focused on the present. You know, regrets, beating yourself up perhaps for past trading mistakes, or maybe, you know, overconfidence or things that, again, it's all about realigning yourself back to the basics each day and in keeping that mindset focused on elite performance and achieving your goals and getting better at trading and maybe improving your health or improving your relationships, all the things that will reflect back on each one of these pillars in your life. Because when you're working on, you know, each area in a direction of progress, it's going to spill over into everything else that you do. Something I tell my kids every day: how you do one thing is how you do everything. And so I review my goals for the week. I may set some new ones, set some goals. I set a goal each day, and it can be something as simple as just, you know, keeping a really detailed record of what I see setting up. Again, I know my stop loss, my maximum position sizing for the day. I know the simple setup that I'm looking for at London. Just really basic things, that reviewing your playbook, bringing you back to focused on the simple setups, the ones that are going to work for you really easy, not trying to fight the market or trade every day, trying to trade any market condition, but just, again, reinforcing simplicity, reinforcing your confidence. And confidence comes through accomplishment. When you can do that day in and day out and you're getting some runs on the board, your confidence comes because you're following that plan, you're following the simple steps, and you're keeping it simple. You're removing the clutter, you're shutting down social media, shutting down your emails, whatever. When it's trading time or when it's preparation time, you clear the slate. You don't have other website browsers open. You're ready to journal your trades. You've reviewed your playbook. You might go back and make some notes from yesterday or last week's markets. And then again, just reminding yourself about the business of trading. You know, the business of trading isn't trying to knock a home run today and have an unrealistic expectation on a trade, but the business of trading is obviously trying to identify high probability setups that you've built into your playbook, where you have predefined risk and you've got an asymmetrical risk reward, and you want to try and, again, just review your best trade setups, know what they look like, and then when it's time and it's showtime, be able to implement that in live time and stick to your plan, stick to the management process of that. So I talk about, starting the day off, plugging yourself in, listening to other great traders, or listening to things that will keep you focused on success. Then I like to have I always do a morning routine. I either jump in the pool, or you see me down at the beach. I like to jump in the ocean and shock my nervous system a bit. and then do a quick workout. Unfortunately, my dogs are getting to the point where I don't think they can go down to the beach anymore. They're getting old. But that wakes me up. I want to be in a peak physical state. I watch the food intake that I have. I'm very particular about keeping my body in peak state, because I want to be, when I'm on the screen in the afternoon, I don't want to be tired. I don't want to be making decisions out of fatigue. You know, the longer the day goes on, the more likely you are to fatigue mentally and make poor choices. Research shows that, you know, most people will start to make decisions that are poor quality as the day progresses, as they fatigue, especially if they're not physically fit, or if they're, you know, their diet's off, you know, just little things that will affect your physiology and keep you perhaps from performing at your best. You know, I come from a sporting background, so that's the way I approach everything. And I believe that, you know, for myself, that's how I operate at my best. Now you have to figure out what routines, what things are going to keep you at your best in terms of being able to not only trade at your best, but, you know, physically, mentally, emotionally maintain that, because it's your mindset. You know, you can have the trading system, you can have the money management, but then you've got to be able to implement that, and you've got to be able to implement and hit those trades and execute to the best of your ability. Because if you're trading intraday, things can turn on a dime, and if you haven't got maybe an exit strategy, or if you haven't got a way to manage your stop losses to as the trades progress, the market can turn, and before you know it, you're stopped out at break even, or maybe for a small loss when you should have been exiting the trade with a profit. Little things like that. So again, if you haven't done so, go to my homepage, get my 7-step daily routine for high performance traders, build your own daily routine. Find out the success steps that you need to have in place each day, and then follow them. You know, if you're starting from scratch, set a goal for this week to do 7 days in a row of your own daily routine. As that evolves, you may reshape that. You might, you know, add a couple of things. You might recognize that, you know, you had some wins. You had what are the days that you've had your best success, and then maybe deconstruct that and look at how you want to build your best daily routine so that you can have that perfect day every day. So hopefully you got some value from today's video, traders. Again, heading into a new week, just keep moving in a direction of constant progress. So small little daily disciplines pay big dividends, and that's something that you need to remind yourself of. You know, you're going to have some bumpy roads with the markets, but the greatest thing about the markets is that nothing happens to us, it happens for us, and it's trying to teach us little lessons every single day about how to get better, how to play the game better, and potentially how to maybe profit better from that. So have a great trading week. Stay focused, stay disciplined, stick to your daily routines, keep getting better, and may the markets go with you. Hi traders, it's Stacy Burke from Stacy Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at stacyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.